Physical development. It describes the physical and the psychomotor changes in an individual. Physical development includes both growth and the ability to use muscles and body parts for particular skills. Both gross and fine motor skills contribute to physical development, and children often learn a set of skills by a certain age. Physical development involves providing opportunities for young children to be active and interactive and to develop their coordination, control, and movement. If the fine motor skills are not developing, then a student finds it difficult to take part in many physical activities as is peer group. Writing skills get affected as the child is not able to hold a pencil properly. It affects the note taking skills and also focus on what goes in the classroom as the child is left behind in the work. Writing in between lines, writing legibly, poor self-image affects the learning behavior and in turn the cognitive development. Intellectual development. In children, it happens quickly using the kind of experiences that they gain. With time and experience, their memory, problem-solving skills, reasoning and thinking abilities to get developed. It is easy to track a child's physical growth, but not so easy to crack his or her mental growth. The intellectual development of early childhood is divided into phases by the famous psychologist Piaget. A child's mental as well as physical growth is highly accelerated in the initial years of his or her life. 4 stages of intellectual development in children. The cognitive and intellectual development of a child is marked by certain activities and patterns that we can recognize if we know them. There are 4 distinct stages of intellectual development of a child that have been specified by Piaget stated below. The first one, sensory motor stage. This is a period of 0 to 2 years of age where certain activities are observed in a child that marks his or her growth of mental faculties. The first 2 months are marked by very elementary motor movements such as sucking and grasping. This is the reflexive stage. The next 2 months are marked by repetitive motions. The 4 to 8 months phase sees the child repeating movements with consequences like making a hanging toy over the crib move by touching or kicking it. This is the stage of secondary circular reactions. By the time the child is 1 year old, you will see his or her movements become more complex. This stage is the coordination of secondary reactions. The next 6 months will see the child discover new ways to do the same task. At the age of 2 years, the child starts to show signs of solving simple activity related problems mentally before executing the actions. This is the invention of new means through mental combination. The second stage, pre-operational period. This early childhood intellectual development phase lasts from 2 to 7 years of age and is marked by the following developments in the child. From the age of 2 to 4 years, language skills of the child develop. His or her speech, however, is not highly logical. The child can recall and talk about objects that are not presently in sight. This is the pre-operational phase. The age from 4 to 7 years sees the child develop his speaking skills. The talk makes more sense and the child is able to recognize and use simple logic. Games with simple rules are comprehensible to the child now. This is the intuitive phase. The third stage, period of concrete operations. This intellectual child development stage comprises of the mental growth taking place in the child from the age of 7 to 12 years. The child is now able to understand logical patterns and also use them. The mental faculties are now taking a turn towards solid understanding and cognition of what is to be done for what. The child is able to understand categories now and can also solve problems logically and correctly. The fourth stage, period of formal operations. This is the period of development that takes place from the age of 12 years and above. It is in the final stage of intellectual development that the child is able to start understanding and thinking about abstract concepts. Logic and deductive reasoning becomes comprehensible to the child. Complex, logical and abstract sequence become easy for the child to think about and apply in problem solving.